Oh, I'm hearing that song now. You seem so near, yet so far. Yan. You seem so near, yet so far. Yan, no? If I'm not mistaken, no, that's a part of a lyric of Ate Reg. You are my song, diba? You seem so near, yet so far. Maybe you feel this person's presence, the energy, the vibration, the frequency tells it all. Okay? So let us see. Beautiful song. You are my song, playing so softly in my heart. Oh, this could be pretty first message. So let's put it here. We have here the death and the rebirth. I'm picking up right here someone coming towards you. Okay? But with the death or rebirth right in here, no, may energy na yung iba sa inyo, okay, this is a new person, like a brand new person, no, pero yung iba sa inyo, this is your ex right here, okay? So it looks like there's some kind of, yeah, I just heard misunderstanding. So if this is your ex right here coming in, yeah, we just heard white lies, no? So parang gumawa na lang siya ng excuse dati, no? Parang it's like a protection right in here, no? Or someone right here is not yet ready, no? So parang nagsinungaling na lang rin siya dito sa inyo, no? Okay, may ganong klase ng energy para layuan niyo siya 'no or para hindi kayo masyadong masaktan 'no, during the time na maaaring meron kayo dito 'no na yeah, we have here protection for absorbs energy 'no and also healing 'no. So nakita natin dito na parang wala siyang magawa sa isang situation way back before. So parang para hindi kayo rito masaktan talaga 'no, kay this person right here nagsinungaling na lang siya pero hindi yun totoo 'no, ginawa niya lang yun para lumayo kayo 'no. So, I do see that it's not, a third party situation. Kung binanggit niya man yun, wala talagang third party, it's just imaginary. Sinabi niya lang yun, okay. Or kung ano man yun 'no, puwedeng this person right in here 'no, may mga binanggit siya 'no, na puwedeng niloloko niya daw kayo 'no, puwedeng mga nagpasakit ng damdamin mo 'no, okey, na nag-cause ng ending ng inyong relationship pero hindi yun totoo 'no. Those are just white lies, okay. So, let us see more. But if it is a new person right in here, I do believe that this person right here, okay, nakakuha tayo dito na actually I just saw 'no, New Zealand 'no, but it could be somewhere na puwedeng, merong winter or snow season na bansa 'no. Maybe this person here galing na siya dun, might be nagtrabaho siya dun or might be siya 'to 'no na posibleng hindi naman nagtrabaho dun pero nakapagbakasyon dun or nakabisita sa country na yun 'no. Yeah, I'm picking up that. Maybe this person right here really, born 'no, in New Zealand, key or any, malamig na country, yan. Okay, just take how this resonates, okay? But with the Four of Swords energy, it looks like this person right here is healing, okay? And making his or her body healthy, keeping himself or herself strong. I do believe that this person right here, no, clueless about you, but is already preparing for this union, no? Wala rin siyang kamalay-malay. Yeah! We have the temperance now. So meaning to say, destiny will bring this person here back into your life. That's why this person here is coming towards you. Six of Swords right in here, no? And the death rebirth. Look at that. Whether this is a new lover or ex ninyo, destiny will bring you together. Yan. Bongga. So we have here the Knight of Cups energy. Let me make latag. Ooh, center of the reading, the Four of Wands energy. Okay, I love it because the Hangman is in reverse position. Okay, this person right here is not stuck into something. Okay, I do pick up right here. Now, actually, I just heard the word plans or planner right in here. No, wow, look at that. There could be an age difference between the both of you. Okay, kung meron man, hindi naman gano'n kalayo yung age gap ninyo. Okay, could probably be, okay, I'm hearing 5, 6 years, 7 years, okay, or lower. Okay, we have here the Four of Cups. I love it. It's in reverse position. Bottom of the deck, we have here the Eight of Wands, the Two of Swords. Yeah, you're not confused. Okay. Kapag nangyari ito, you're not in a confused situation. So, wow. Okay, let's talk about this more. Pero bago yan, let me greet everybody muna. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning istambayers ko dyan. Thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung hindi mo pa alam mga mahal, no, meron pa tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. If interesado, click lamang yung link na yan para kayo mapunta there. At araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At yun nga wala tayong gender dito sa babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch yung mga roles dahil possible talaga magkabalit-balit kasi general reading po ito. And at the end of the day, lahat po ay may free will na free niyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. Okay? I just heard the word mark. It could be a name, but more likely, I'm seeing right here, okay, na marka, no? It's like a mark, okay? Wherein there could be a particular place kung saan kayo magkikita. It could be a landmark right in here, no? Alam mo yung sa treasure hunt, no? Na mapa. Okay? Ang X doon, hindi yun ang ibig sabihin na X mo, no? Although, andito naman talaga yung X mo na magbabalik dito sa life mo, no? But the X in that treasure map, no, is yun yung pinaka, ah, kung nasaan nakalagay yung kayamanan, 'di ba? In the treasure map, 'no? So, it looks like that, 'no? That's what I'm seeing, 'no? And I love it, there's so many clues, 'no? Probably this is the reading that we've got so many clues already, So I love it, because with the mark right in there, it looks like, the spirits are actively sending us signs right in here, There's this particular place, maybe New Zealand, okay? Or maybe sa country na malamig kayo makikita, Okay? Kapag nag-travel kayo or bumiyahe kayo, doesn't have to be that you are a traveler or someone who travels a lot, Pero maaring sa malamig na lugar or malamig na bansa kayo magkita, So, may gano'ng klase ng energy, okay? So, I also do pick up right here, na with that mark, this person probably, is nagkaroon na rito, ng parang marka sa life ninyo, because just this very moment, okay, I saw something, in my vision, you could have already seen this person here when you were young, 'no? Alam mo bigla akong naalala tuloy ngayon, yung rap dun sa kanta ni Justin Bieber dun sa ano, sa sa kanta niya, na "Baby, baby, baby, oh." Pero hindi dun, yung rap na parte, "When I was 13, I had my first love." 'Di ba yun yan? Hindi ko memorize yun, pero naalala ko yun, So, maybe you were definitely nakita mo na ito, iisang beses. Doesn't have to be na friend mo siya, schoolmate mo siya, but others, yeah, could be. Okay, pero puwede rin naman mga babes, na nakita mo lang siya, you had seen this person, puwedeng talagang nasa 13 years old ka or maybe nasa teenage years ka noon, puwedeng 12 years old ka, mga 13, mga ganyan, okay, high school days, mga ganyan, when you were young, Alam mo yung energy na paanong ano, miss 'yan, yeah, like it could be random. Maybe ito yung katabi mo nung nagsimba kayo ng nanay mo or ng family mo, 'di ba? Just like gano'n, 'no? So, nagkaroon ka na ng first glimpse na, wow! So, you've definitely seen this person right here, noon, 'no? But for others of you, maybe this is really your first love, your first crush, 'no? So, yeah, sabi ko sa inyo, mekos-mekos mix ito ng new person and the ex of yours, 'no? But definitely with the destiny, okay? Acting as the temperance energy right in here. This person is probably coming in. You're gonna meet this person right here if this is a new or brand new person, or if this is your ex right here, no, na nagdahilan lang dati, no, pero hindi naman totoong talagang may kasalanan siya sa inyo, no. Sinabi niya lang yon para protektahan kayo, no. Yeah, I'm also picking up that this person could have family issues, no, with the Ten of Wands energy, Four of Wands right in here, no. Possible na nung time na yon na ayaw kanya madamay, no, may problema siyang inaasikaso, so parang nagdahilan na lang siya rito, no. Okay, just to protect you or para hindi ka madamay, may gano'n, eh, 'no? So, iba mga babes 'no, may sarili sila ditong ano, dahilan 'no, and you will hear that 'no, the reason why, okay, this person is coming back. Six of Swords, okay? So, I do see that an offer 'no, ay meron ditong, mangyayari. This person right here, whether he or she is a new lover or an ex of yours, okay? With the Knight of Cups, I do see that this person will offer love to you, okay? That's what I'm seeing, and this person right here will be so sweet to you, okay? And if this is your ex, no, sweeter this time, no, and probably this person right in here with the Ten of Wands energy, okay? If this is your ex, no, this person right here, no, will say sorry for what had happened, no. Iko-correct niya yung mistake na yon, iko-correct niya yung misunderstanding na yon, at maririnig mo na nagsinungaling lang talaga siya during that time, no. But there's really no third party issue, no. It's just that gawa-gawa lang or whatsoever. It's like an excuse to protect you. Four of Swords energy, no. Sometimes 'no, mahirap para sa isang person na gawin, okay? Nasaktan din siya dun 'no, sa inyong hiwalayan dito, but, mas pinili niya ritong protektahan ka. That's what I'm picking up 'no, and this ex of yours is definitely telling the truth, okay? So, puwedeng meron lang siya rito, hindi miss yan, eh, nakita ko talaga meron talaga siyang kausap 'no. Alam mo mga babes na yung iba kasi rito pinagmukha talaga nila makatotohanan dahil, mahirap kang paniwalain. Yun ang nakita ko dito. May energy ka rito 'no, na mahirap kang paniwalain, okey. So, lumabas talaga dito na baka sila ay nakiusap pa rito na magpanggap yung isang friend nila or kakilala nila na hindi mo pa nakikita 'no, na karelasyon nila rito, may gano'ng klase ng energy 'no, okey. So, hindi totoo, walang gano'n 'no. So, nakita ko puwedeng tapos na kasi with the Ten of Wands in upright position 'no, it could be a burden was already released 'no, from his or her shoulders right in here 'no, so hindi na siya si Sharon Cuneta na pasa ng mundo. So, I think tapos na yung problema na yun 'no, 'yan. And for this new person naman with the Ten of Wands 'no, ibig sabihin naman nito kung bagong tao naman 'yan para sa iba sa inyo 'no, I do see that this person will also feel sorry. What? Feel sorry for what, Miss Yan? Feel sorry because he or she feels like it's a little late 'no, na dumating siya sa life mo 'no. Parang feeling niya, "Sorry, late ba akong dumating sa life mo?" Yang parang gano'ng klase ng energy 'no, 'yan. Kakakilig yun. So, wow, whether this is a new person, whether this is, an ex of yours with this hangman energy in reverse position. If it is a new energy, this new person na marami siya ditong nakalatag na mga plano, no? Na gagawin ninyo na magkasama together. At if this is an ex naman sa inyo, no, I do see na ipagpatuloy ninyo with the Eight of Wands energy. Na I'm sorry for may Tagalog, especially yung mga new subscribers na pag tumagal na kayo dito maiintindihan niyo. Kung bakit budol ako sa Tagalog. So, we have here this hangman in reverse and with the Eight of Wands. 'Di ba Istambayers, knows niyo na 'no? Well, wala naman kayong magagawa. So, with the Eight of Wands energy, I do see, itutuloy niya na yung plano ninyo dati. Ayan, okay. And I do pick up 'no, that may mga energy sa inyo 'no, na muli kayo rito 'no, na magkakabalikan, muling ibalik ang tamis ng pag-ibig, 'yan, pag-ibig. You know, so we have here the Knight of Wands energy, Queen of Wands. I do see 'no, na parehas pa rin kayo rito, okey, ng mga pangarap 'no, and I do see magiging happy kayo 'no. Look at those, smiles 'no, na parang, natatawa, no, so happy, feel so grateful. Okay, I do see that, hey, your energy is still the same. You still have feelings for this person. And yeah, yung iba sa inyo, no, you're still waiting for this person. And yeah, this person here is coming in. Four of Cups energy, no, this opportunity will be given a chance. Okay. This is a positive card, no, when it's in reverse right in here, no. And with the Eight of Wands, Two of Swords energy right in here, Queen of Pentacles. Now, I do see that you're not hesitating. This is you, no? Na hindi kayo nako-confuse, no? Dito sa person na ito, whether this is a brand new or ex ninyo, Queen of Coins energy, no? You will definitely feel, okay, your intuition right here is on point, no? Mararamdaman na ninyo talaga that this person's intention is definitely yung talagang sinasabi rin niya talaga sa inyo. I do believe that this connection right here, no, is being brought back to life, okay, or being brought together, okay, whether this is new or ex, okay, with the destiny in charge, I do pick up that this is something here, no, na nakikita ko na mai-enjoy nyo yung moment ninyo na magkasama kayo. Okay, in this lifetime. Yes, you heard it right, no? I do pick up, no, that forever is not yet na natatapos sa inyong connection, okay? But I do pick up na nagpapatuloy ang forever sa inyong dalawa. Yan. If this is your ex right in here, na if this is a new person right in here, I do see that this new person right here na is someone with the Four of Wands energy will make you happy, okay? And will make you laugh, okay? Each day. So, yan ang nakikita natin dito. Okay? Both of you will be blessed with so much blessings right in here, especially, okay, blessings of union and love. So, yeah, for the initials right here, I know you've been waiting for this. Of course, we do have that, no? Shall we begin? So, we have here the letter T, letter H, letter R, letter B as in boy. We also have here the letter F. We also have here the letter K. Andito rin mawawala ba naman ang letter G plus andito rin ang letter C. And last but not the least, we have here the letter P. Okay, so yeah, these are all the messages I've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much for your time here, babe. And again, I'm Yuriana Only. Sarang heyo, love and light. Ayan.